You see, today make I tell you something. You see, this, as he come, the person where he put in hand for your head, where he baptize him, from Nima, would that be you? You be my John the Baptist, because you see, Ghana, the disease is there when a body be say, wanna own for no be. If he be deported there, for no be. If he be Whiskey, Davido, Benaboy, oh no, we like him. We to where God bring we. God no call we Nigerians. God no call we Senegalese police. God bring come Ghana. And go back. You see, that's what they believe say. For watch one direction. You understand me?
That be right.
I will come here. I give you notice already, but I not tell you the day I will come here already. So happy say what we talk about where we can ask me if they talk. Somebody for say maybe I just come Miami where I can be there. But as you tell them say the reason why we come here. But you see, that be what we did. Take sweep them every time. They don't know how to play cha-cha pass. Me,
You see, right now I see somebody they talk, somebody they write some things for there. Make I tell you guys something. You see, for me and Wale, before me, I tell Wale a lot of things. Say, Wale, we for do this, we for do that, we for do this, we for do that. Then we go fit catch here, we for do this and catch here. But God being so good today, make I tell you something. Make I confess something. Tell you guys. The things we are talk say Wale make Wale do all. I swear, he not do those things all. But today, he catch the place he catch. Because the industry, we feel like the industry preach something into our mind, say when you do this, when you do that, when you do this, when you do that, you catch here. And there are a lot of people that do those things. They don't catch where Wale catch. So that be the direction where I want to make a lot of people know, say it be God. It not be your mind.
Bad man.
It not be your smartness.
If somebody feels say maybe we'll be smart, maybe we'll be intelligent, maybe we know, maybe bad man, what they happen for my life, you be the only person where they tell boldly say, me self, I know they understand.
Yeah, you're right.
So if if me that that's what I say, you see, we just have to help the next generation to learn that life is all about you being yourself.
For real.
Because when you are yourself, you can take decisions. Come on, boys say time way maybe one wear Nike and some jeans and some tea. But somebody goes say, oh no, that one be like give fun. Charlie, what should they feel at a particular time? So far as it's positive for you, you do it. People they talk. Shatta Wale be rowdy, Shatta Wale be this, Shatta Wale. In the history of Ghana music industry, we've never fight somebody physically before. Maybe right now where I won't buy cane because the nonsense way they talk for radio and things, so for buy cane. Because that PG and things where they go some blessing there. La PG. Your name like Lamojin.
You do everything you want to do music. See right now in the rhyme. La PG. Your name be like Lamuji. Hey, this guy.
I say, you know, we know. Is it God? Is it talking self? Human being to say, you know, be in way they talk.
For real.
And you know, say God give them plug where they put for typewriter inside for some machine. Where you see the talk God write them.
Yeah. For real.
And God knows say today if I wake up, I go talk like this. But man go wake up and talk like it be in way great talk. No, but sometimes if I do this in this music industry, I feel like the Lamojin guy. I say Lamojin. La PG guy. He say, yeah, if I sell one of my house, I go fit take invest in my music and win Grammy easy. Yeah.
No. No, you know what? Is it Ghana? When our problem is, Charlie, you go see somebody they talk about. Hey, Charlie, this thing, if I do one this, it be the sound, it be this, it be that, the sound. And Asamoah, those two people, the sound. You see the sound? Make I tell you something. In Ghana, you see Ghana, the sound where they talk about. In Ghana, I never see artists where it gets sound like Osibisa before. Osibisa, up to now, if they play them a song, it be timeless. It they sound like they do them today. That time where Osibisa they do them at things. They roam all over the world. They do tour then things. And that time Grammy still they do in Grammy. But I never see Osibisa to nominate them.
No.
So if it's about sound,
then they don't get streams. They don't get streams.
That I don't know what streams.
But
that there's no streams.
But right now, somebody arguing for radio say then Osibisa no get streams. Ghana, I'm sorry, one man. You see what you're talking? You see where you are? No, I want to make you continue. This one I take sipping because if you sip with somebody where you tell them this thing, and they say Osibisa no get streams.
That's
why they know
because because at that time they don't watch streams.
Thank you.
It be about sound and about touring then things. But at that time, last time I was telling my people, Ghanaians say, Grammy is business and politics. But a lot of people don't understand because if it's about sound and things, we have a lot of people that have good sounds and things, but they never reach Grammy.
Daddy Lumba, they travel to Germany, they go master them a song.
I swear.
Up to now, Ghanaians don't be push them make they win Grammy. They can't put that burden on me. If they don't make Kojonti and Daddy Lumba win Grammy, they can't put because they know that they are alive.
Apart from that, see Rexoma. Rexoma in sound.
Thank you.
In sounds.
Thank you.
Rexoma they travel, they play big festivals in the world.
Bad man. You see the people we are talking about. This is Rexoma, Daddy Lumba, Kojonti, Nana Champo. They get Ohiniba to see themselves where they come. Nana to four. Ben Braco. These the people where they know them in no sound.
I swear.
But Ghanaians, they won't put the burden on me and Sako there, Stoneboy, Kwame Eugene. We go play Conco sound now. The Conco there immediately. We know if they don't make one elders because go for that. You see right now, me and we say they go fit ban every me and we say they go fit ban every music for radio. Maybe they play Kojonti, that Lumba. This is those people. Go on. The bread make it go offline. It's a bread. The bread.
With some call where they come inside.
Catch some ball. Which some ball?
But I'm not sure. I say call. No shop ball. Where I no shop ball for? I don't know shop ball for anywhere, Charlie.
Oh, but bone and blade. No shop ball.
I see they take picture with them.
No, God, you see. What are the talk we say? If we want to repair this music industry, we will start on a culture. I get what I'm saying. When our kids learn something, because see me, constantly people they talk and shatter there in type of song and the way. But you see, if you check out my song, I did still song from Kojonti. I did still song. I did still song from Rexoma. I be music tip. Today I tell Ghana people say. The picture I said it said like make milk because you say no if you get money and buy ice that's why they wear those plenty range like and they can't see TV. We know them are mind bad man if they get started they go chop if you say they don't get there yet. So that's why they but what I want to tell them is say make they no come lie to we make they can't tell we what did the book inside and what book are we talking about is book of life bad man. This structure and these things that they talk about, or if you know be favor, get it.
For real.
What they talk and we know they do moves. We know who travel past that Lumba. No, what I want to make you understand say that Lumba has sold Ghana to the world too much, bad man. Last time that Lumba them they taught the world. Where did the Nigerians?
No, and now make I tell you something. Now they won't push on my agenda. They talk say we for do wanna high life those highlights go fit take us to Grammy. And I want to tell them, say,
Before you come, before you come, if they want me to highlight go, make them stop the talk, say, highlight artists come up, then when I go talk, say, Bisake, they do a year. What's Bisake? Some they take picture for movie inside, bad man.
Yeah.
If one artist start, we want to industry, we get more to talk. Oh, and away there, or boy, we now we defeat describe the song. You what? You go catch come in time go catch very soon. They will talk in there adoring if they born. Come if they born adoring there. Come using adoring papa. Ghana, that's what we do.
No, you know,
because what they talk about, I want to mean that because Bisake them, Saliban, we like kill talent too much.
No, if they talk about sound, and high life, indigenous high life, we go fit take us to Grammy. I want to tell them, say, beginning of high life in this country, we get last time you mentioned Konimo, we could put Konimo self aside. Kojuanchi them, Lumba them. That time, high life, Ghana they own high life. It be Ghana they own high life. But because we don't have people to push us there, we don't have the connect that can make Grammy to recognize some of our artists to get nomination or even to win. That's why we don't catch Grammy. Because it not be about, Charlie Ghana, sometimes, and if they listen to some people, and sometimes they wonder, say, so these people when they talk, it be just like,
but
I don't know.
Those people, if you go check them, they don't even know airport. They don't even know. They will talk Grammy like they enter America before. They don't even know airport.
No, apart from that, they don't know, say, the radio presenters and the panel then things where they talk. They don't know, say, radio presenters have the win Grammy.
No.
For America, they don't know. So what?
this thing you talk with, it touch me. Make I do it.
You know what?
Bad man. You see where we did for Africa?
Yeah.
It be village,
big time village.
No, it be village. Especially me, if I talk to Ghana village, somebody if you boy, if you touch me, because bad man. There are certain people in the country, and I won't miss worse, like our leaders, See what Mama can do,
Yeah.
See what Akufo-Addo can do,
Yeah.
See what Kufuor can do, see what Rawlings can do, see what Kwame can do,
Yeah.
Still, Ghanaians say, when at least they don't do anything. Fine. I understand. How did they understand politics with their mind? Say, as they wake up morning, Akufo-Addo for bring out 1 bag of rice. Say, make it take. The next day, Akufo-Addo can 30 Ghana. Say, make it take. That be how they understand politics. But those people, when they come do them a work and go. We know they feel do anything for our industry inside. No. I can say if the president they watch some minister we know they work, it goes like but this one industry is like somebody they do something where they say maybe this one be their party, then they decide with them.
No, Ghana people with the sick. I swear. Sure. Because if the Ghana way go fit decide, they tell you say, oh, this artist go last, oh, this artist 3 years now he go die.
I be example. Me.
Yeah, you be example.
They kill me, buy casket, do funeral, wake keeping. Do what they can for me.
Yeah.
Every day, and we have people. But my Coco come and they talk this is all.
No, for real. No. It's on tape. They talk say, Chatawale, Ninyum 2 years, I'm out 2 years. But till today, we don't have any big artists in Ghana apart from Chatawale. It's not like the affiliation with me that you get or something. The time we say me that you part one ways. And if they talk something about you, and people they talk, Diboti, you be real, definitely if you talk about Wale. What's a it be my son. There are some things if you do where be good, I go take, I go talk. If you do where be bad, I go bash out. It be normal.
You know perfect. People know
yeah.
Who dogs say?
Yeah.
I mean, they go places. I know the place after they talk say, me I be Mayweather, I be this, I be that.
Yeah.
I'm saying that. You see people like you around me. Fuck it, we are blessed, Charlie. Where we from? Like, it's so sad. Say did they watch some things and they take judge. See Kanye West, if Kanye West peace for Grammy Award stuff, the next year some gospel album or something of the year for the same Grammy.
If gospel self, EP, but they give him gospel, EP for the album. What they give him?
Like me here, they will give me Satan Award. No, Ghana, what I know. Oh, what no? I mean, sometimes people they talk some things and they want to. You see that why sometimes if you deal with somebody and you tell them about me, the person, me, I know they won't come live and come even they make anything extraordinary. I see people from Nima, where you know say they know me, they know how we go.
For real.
They know how many times. Maybe you don't tell me, but somebody they will know say you can't borrow money from them, come buy me watching.
Yeah.
They see the person say, hey, we try you.
Yeah, big time.
But I see who never know the story.
Yeah.
This and they go to talk shit.
And
go to talk nonsense. Oh, when one more wine now here they tell you over that. You see as I enter Nima, I meet a whole lot of friends. But I see me and with the connection. That be how come plenty friends go you did.
Yeah.
And you see, right now, them they be friends, but you be blood. Because the things where we picture say we go do, they no feel picture them like that. And those days, the things where they talk about. So for me, try to do that. Oh, right now we are doing better talking, understanding with growth and everything. So me, that's why sometimes you with you alone. Yeah, they say if I get you alone, you see Ghana music industry, they don't get anywhere go unless they can beg you. I don't know, but I mean they say people they talk say Saturday we did draw, Saturday spirit talk itano. They first say if you draw where we chop. We the medicine we chop. If you God the medicine.
I swear.
Yeah, you chop God boss before. God boss. Boss.
No, you know easy, big man.
Me the travel go India. Travel to India.
No, people listen, make I tell you something. People they travel. Today make Ghanaians know something. You see Shatta Wale, you where you did there. People they travel. People they travel. People they go places to stop you. I don't see it, but people are doing it because they see that why Shatta Wale every time Shatta Wale. They want to block you because they try it spiritually, physically, radio top, everywhere to make people know say no, Shatta Wale be nobody, but still the people they love you. Not because of anything, because of the favor where they on you. Today I want to make Ghanaians know something. Shatta Wale where they there, it be wind. Shatta Wale be wind. Allah Akbar. You see Shatta Wale where they there. Shatta Wale be wind. You see wind there? Wind the fee direct water. If water they come, if wind comes serious, it the fee direct the water. Wind the fee quench fire.
Pastor,
you see wind.
Pastor, preach on my spirit.
Wind the fee quench fire. But you see, these are the things they are trying to fight. Something that they can't touch. Something that you can't touch. Wind, there's no way that you can touch wind. So how can you fight it?
Oh, I get Bible for it. What is the I forget Quran too for a minute. Say, you see the power we have, man.
No, serious. These are the things where, because you see, fire, you can quench fire. Water, you can direct water. Sometimes you can direct it. But I see wind, there's no way you can direct wind. You can't touch it to direct it.
Bad man, what he talks about, I want to add one more thing. If episode be sand, they for no say wind go clear. Sand.
I swear.
Yeah. Whether it's on a shear, then put cement, everything.
Yeah. You see that cement? You see that cement? Me, I want open cement company.
No, go happy. No, go open cement company.
You know, say it can reach some time, man. If I they walk, they go somewhere. If I hear somebody say cement, if they buy cement, and if you tell me what say, why the person they talk about me or what? Yeah, this issue. Yeah.
That's a bit matter. Ghana, you know the poverty, don't worry you. And you see, this is what make I tell the fans, this is what they don't know. The time where you see right now, say, the fans say we get money, but we won't make the son say we don't get money. Me and himself fight this cement matter. Then we the rent. We don't buy a house. Hey, cement. No, we go do cement company. That one there.
Oh.
Because of the cement, go happy.
Because of the cement, you sing give don't go to because you. Hey, Charlie, cement issue, this cement issue. Cause problem.
I know that here. I suspect say you will test me when I do that so.
No, you know, as you do the so because of this cement issue, you want trend go catch down go table. I say this guy. Hey, Charlie,
I sell out my brother go meet that one day. Remember I say I swear when I suspect if you send me that message, make I confess to the fans. Somebody send me a message, say make I do song give Dangote. But they say Dangote they feel me. Fans, I do the song, you know YouTube. Dangote, if we can listen, please, we beg you, come and carry me. And my brother, he has
no, but you know what? Reality, reality, it go happy.
Oh, I believe.
Oh, inshallah, reality go happy. We go meet Dangote life.
Oh, Governor, you see, whatever God write there, we just follow him like we dey watch movie.
Straight.
Because me, I always talk this thing, I talk say whatever they happen for my life, whether negative or positive, I come say it is something where God want make it happen, and God is sorry for us. You get me? Me, I believe say anything where God they make it happen, it just is one of the stories we will follow. Yes, because I see we've been through a whole lot of things. You have tried to educate some people, but I see all what you do. Someone they say like, but who be deported? But I want to make people know say the Bible inside. You show them life day. Those people where they church where they listen pastor. They some mind they listen to the pastor. When they leave the church room, that mind they live there. Because they don't understand how Christianity was back in the days. They don't understand how Islamic religion was back in the days. Today, if you deal with somebody where you watch them some way, like me. I don't say me all of people see like why Nima boy. The thing you do for me for Nima, talk everybody like help, support, career-wise, building up the brand from scratch. That's why last time they talk say investment. And they talk say they know what be investment. They know how many times when you pick Okada, they go up and down. They know how many times you pick car, go maybe Central Region, Koforidua, go here. They know all of this. Before we go show, you can't say we go some show for Koforidua. We don't go play. We game them 6 people per car, 6 people.
I swear. No, you see the struggle, Bossman. You see the struggle. Majority of the people don't understand the struggle. They don't know. Some of them they just see the glory when they start to talk. But they don't know how the thing starts. The thing starts.
They don't know my story.
I swear.
Oh my son.
They don't know my story. Yeah.
Charlie. They don't know Charlie. They don't know about somebody if you hear your song. Oh, say Saturday book no. I just see him. Yeah.
No, you see, hey, Charlie. you see what you just talk. Somebody the talk say why Bookbank go fit win Grammy? Why Ajabi to go fit win Grammy? But somebody like Burna Boy they fit sing inside in language. If you don't insult yourself, you don't know.
That's why they talk.
But because if you in language, you dey accept them.
But Ghana we like foreigners. Ghana that be what see Ghana man foreigner life. Ghana man if you see foreigner no it change your life. Ghana we like foreigners. You understand me? And me I know the man because here if I talk, you will see maybe Whiskey go sing some song or the video in and tongue and I chop my back butter. You go see every girl they sing that song. But if Shata say me me di bang make I do song and make I know what me di bang make I do me perfufo and ya me do me perfufo and me dio so young crime ya yeah onion crime ya inquire and I point Chicago cry bad man they go talk say kwasianyo na me to know but what I'm talking about is fufu our culture I say I promote fufu to the world McDonald's they promote them McDonald's do chips and things McDonald's we don't know them but won't make McDonald's they can't do McDonald's for Ghana McDonald's but fufu they don't want me fufu go international. That's why that Shanti says sometimes they feel first. I don't lie. That's why the American boys say first like that. No. That's why you are talking. She say, "I'm some best story. I'm best story because someone from the phone qua. Yeah, fufu. Sorry. For them nobody phone now. And I've been quiet. Me person me for Gigi. I'm winning Gigi. Gigi you do.
I swear. Gigi. Gakenke.
No, it's bad. You go here say maybe Nigerian man go sing song and you go talk say, how do you call woman? Woman say for this things are Nigeria inside. Maybe they go talk. Me that way say I if you do I go Maya. Hey, maybe they know add them fee, so we don't say the Maya fee. Yeah, can you go fit that? I go Maya.
Even like Maya.
Maybe just for feet make you admit this and Aquana Maya fee no kind of Maya fee. That one you don't have to say no set song. If I sing song and I say hi, Shatawaria come like Ghana people want them say they know if you go Zongo go yeah hi. If you go some areas where they do red goat you go yeah hi.
Yeah.
It don't want a quarter inside.
Yeah.
Because another Samabedu.
Charlie, somebody said make you do my happy remix.
My happy. I know say me as I watch or I know they see the viewers.
You know they see the comments. Yeah, you know they see the comments.
But you are it's like I do my no, but it be true to cover. Because see, go I see me and you all we meet on the streets. You understand me? But and the knowledge where we share. Governor, today that is why I am here. You know, it's not about I go see Jay-Z before I know how to do music work and governor, he did that. You know how many money we spend for studio gadgets alone? No. Right now, if I tell somebody say my studio gadgets is there, it's almost 4 billion. Somebody go talk say I dey lie.
Yeah.
Because the gadgets where they see for studios, it don't be what they in my studio.
For real.
And we believe in investment, but man go put all in this thing for inside them. The next thing we have say, wanna sound, we need to do good this thing, and you know they promote the culture. Charlie, bad man. We'll just sit up in Ghana here.
Charlie, the secret is Grammy. If you don't have people to open the doors for you, forget it.
Bad man.
There's no way you can do song and touch the sky. Do song, angels to dance to itself. Forget it.
Bad man.
Forget it.
Bad man. Me at the fight award scheme every time. I
swear.
I want to make people understand one thing. See the Grammy they see for the same Yola and Teresa where did they organize for America?
For real.
Special thing. Bad man. You know, it be some people where they decide from free again. Good say Governor.
Charlie, this I did call some people they worry me, Charlie.
Charlie, hey people, why they do that to people? Or you don't say we do
you make a guy. The time me that you get if I do live video, some people they call me. Hey, don't call me. I go talk all. Don't call me. Stop me. Charlie.
Drama Godfather and drama Godfather. No, we'll go sing for them. We'll do something for them. But I come here. I can't see.
Somebody talk. Yo, Marley, man, Marley. The biggest musician ever on earth. Bob Marley.
You know, say I buy this thing. The person, the shop I buy for. The guy say, me, I be Bob Marley. That's why they give me this. I swear, everything I tell you.
Wow.
But we know this one. If you talk Ghana, they will talk say you lie. This one I talk. It's just me and only my God and John the Baptist. As I talk, nigga.
That's it.
Yeah, I say any artist we want it for Ghana.
There is some guy to the right, some things plenty for you. I say, please tell Shatta Wale, make he do song and name am Wind. Make he mention my name for inside. My name is Ni Aite.
Yeah, Aite. You want to know you. You talk bad. Have you paid? Yeah, have you paid? Yeah, have you paid? You see some of my fans. Some of my fans right now go come to them. And me and them go to fight. They like shout out to her. The thing where Godfather talk, you know, we talk say make Godfather get shout out. Godfather talk that thing. You see, Canada boy they take award give some people. Somebody award. Yeah, you don't worry, we'll give you shout out. If you hear me, then add it. I love you, man, but big up, man. No, we gonna do something like that for the fans. You understand? Because apart from everything we will talk, sometimes you and me they share knowledge. I want to make the fans understand something. Sometimes, if we so me and you the tweet talk for 1 hour.
I swear.
This way, you share with me is knowledge, and I want you to share some with them. And this is one of the things I want to make the fans learn from you. May they not see you like you did there, Keke. If you be artists, if you say you did try. Maybe they start sending you them a song. When they get management, maybe they can sit with you, sign contract. We can put all those artists under our label and push them because we have a certain plan that the music industry doesn't have. It's not about
never.
It's not about money. So any management where you did there, where if you say you hold something small, just something small you go can't pay with. You not go spend any money. Me, my fans, they did there. We and them all go, they go heavy. They don't go enjoy Sack Nation or Beam Nation or nothing. Forever. If me and them the fans they know. The fans they know.
That's what you talking inside the new song. We are going to blow up. We and the tag. You and your tag.
Me and my tax and my girl saw bad man. Me and my fans saw go. You watch this year? Oh, so my fans said promise me. Say you go buy me Range Rover. They watch.
I'm more glad.
I remember my friend. They no buy gold, I have been.
I say you have him. No, for real, yeah.
No buy gold. No, by time he sent me message. He said, make I give him some small man. He go buy me this thing.
Wonder. You see me today, if somebody they talk about something, say he go do something through you. I know they doubt. Because I remember those times with Nima. From 2011 going, yes, with Nima, with the trouble. The rugged road, with the movie, with the football show can't stand on the street of the Kandahari. The people talk say everybody. Hey, blade, hey, bone, hey, stone, hey, good over evil. You see the way we do this thing. We go buy mansions, we go buy cars, we go put for the rooftop and things. And today, those things manifest. So me today, if somebody they talk about success, they talk about something will go happen inside in life. I know they doubt.
I go by that.
Because me as a Muslim self, I never doubt that thing before because I know say God give us power. As God give us power, talk whatever will come from your mouth, make sure say it be positive.
I swear.
And work towards it and you will achieve them. And God being so good. You today, if it be GIS or whatever approve for them for the school to learn about you, it's not something miracle. I've seen it. It's supposed to happen. That's why it's happening today. Because the place we pass and the place you did today, the kids for learn about you. They need to learn about you. Know that they can do something.
If you say, Governor, if you say this one are leaders, they did there. If you say this one are leaders, they did there. They sleep. They don't sleep. this one are politicians, they did all and since they see them, they don't sleep. Well,
For real.
They monitor we. They see the things. You know what I'm saying? And me, I'm so happy that I'm affiliated with every government where they come in power.
For real.
Because I want to be part of the progress and development of this country.
For real.
Yes, I mean, so me, when this one entertainment industry, they want to try to paint a certain picture to the government or to the people of Ghana. The people of Ghana, they already decide.
No, for real.
So whatever you go talk for radio, it just say you won't make your mouth pay you. That's what it's for. But for the people to accept, you know, if you force them. How many times you know they Ghana where they push artists for the public? Cover that.
Yeah.
If you mention from artists, but somebody go come to us and say, then why we every time we don't want child?
Yeah, we mention people my name. Yeah.
But no, what you are talking about is if you guys have given Reggie Rockstone or Bradford, Lord Kenya, all those chances. If somebody has come with a different method and that person is surviving, you guys can couch a plan around that person and say, you see this guy, he's different from you know, say the figure poultry farm, and one of the cock for them, he did not get 50 pounds for them with the other chickens.
Yeah.
Because if you see what Satawale chicken, that chicken alone, the things they do inside the chickens. Are you chicken where they say if the master know the chicken they fly go the air inside and they control the chickens on the ground like chicken? That chicken they hide them because it is special chicken. Me, they don't want to seem like special chicken. They always want the way they take the go sell for KFC and McDonald's. They won't add me. Like they can't use me for canoe soup.
No. No, the thing is, you see what you just talked. Ghana, they have a way. You see right now, as it be digital time, digital world. Before people they base on radio and TV to listen to songs to decide because a DJ need to play your song. Even the song is not good, they force it on you for you to like the song. But currently, it's not like that. Currently, everybody has in playlist on his phone. So either choose the kind of song that he want to listen. You can't choose a song for him. He needs to choose a song that he want to listen. So at the moment, he stream your song, or maybe he buy them through iTunes and things, where he get the song. He they listen the song where they want where they listen. People know the base on radio. Radio is good. Radio, I'm not debating radio. Radio is good. But the method of like 15 years ago or 20 years ago, not be the method of today. The method changed. So they need to understand that there's no way that they if like you think if like the media way they made you, like they don't stop you long time. Like they stop you long time. That was because you know the way they made you, that's why they can't stop you.
Governor, here they talk they are using the same thing on certain ask your body say where abortion day, Captain Planet. Where they live?
Yeah.
They do Planet Day, they do business. Abortion Day, they do business. I get one. Or because when abortion record, they know they play them again. The industry can't decide, say, abortion, there's any time at Chemu. When they can just any time at Chemu, go on Instagram right now.
I swear.
He posts something.
Yeah.
They promote something.
Yeah.
But the industry, they decide.
No, that's what they do. That's what they do. They go put inside the people's mind. Where they say now the new generation here, when number to my say, when number to my say, nobody can do nothing for you.
Bad man, me forever and ever.
Believe in yourself.
Forever and ever. Media they go see me for everywhere.
in their dreams, in their dreams.
Bad man, from Kwame Nkrumah in time where we come, no be today.
Charlie, they can tell you something. Okay. I see somebody write something. I laugh. You know when the person talk? The person talks, say, Charlie, you don't say inside your dream. They say for you to have sex in dream is not good, right? But the guy they talk say, Charlie, the sex for dream inside, the way they sweet is sweet pass. When somebody can write and tell us say that boy, you know they lose guard. If he they sleep. It is spray dragon to sleep because he won't last.
You want to chop the girl where? Charlie, they put it in the curry. They want to take you to archives.
Yo, but one done right now. Let's come on. Let's come on. The first single of the GOG album. Yeah, man.
I swear.
Yo,
I see the feedback and everything though.
You didn't see the feedback, eh?
Yeah.
The feedback crazy, man. Trust me, crazy.
And you see, remember, you see, this is where I go talk to you. You see, yesterday, I did talk to some guy for my snap. As I posted that day in Miami, where you got talk to make a come up for there at the rush. What time I say, you see how do we rush days like? I come Miami. I post something. You can't come and say, I say, why the frustration small way they inside? You say, oh, you know, be say anything, but they believe me, they like me and things. So I tell them, say, I like come like this. You understand me? Sometimes we just play. But you they rush there, Charlie. It passed man pass that level. Who man go rush? Like so. I talk to him later. I got them. Oh, Charlie, if you say I go ball, what's so? Me, I don't care if you know my fan or not my fan. So far as you know how to communicate with people and relate, because then you they rush, you can't talk no. If I talk, say, come up for there, this thing. I mean, people if you can tell me for snap, your mother, where the free replies, oh, my mother there, she know they like talk to me. Yeah, the person they laugh. But they sound like this the boys thing, or this the youthful thing where we do it and every time already. You see, me I want make people understand we want a direction, bad man. Me that's my problem. Governor, and that's what I'm saying, Governor. I swear, this thing at the talk. As we start this thing, the map where me and you have, that's why today some radio presenter. You see, and the dusty them. If you go there for comment, you can't see them. I really talk for them. I'm not gonna lie you. If you and the dusty, because you see where he is, he's close to victory. He's close to success. Nima be the success now. Make them forget any time, man. Oh. See the way right now they do the America boys. See the way they do themselves. You understand me?
Swear.
And you see, and Ghana is so with it. As the thing starts, people now for radio. Now what kind of nonsense is this? Most of them, they don't know Pop Smoke video.
Yeah.
I want to say Pop Smoke do some song or some genre of music where they call them drill. Where the thing they knock.
Yeah.
So as the thing touch, see the thing, if from America, wait, the thing no pass go to cow. You go Mesia.
As West.
Take Mesia. You go collect blessing from Nana.
As they are straight.
Nana, chawa na peyo. Nana, wadam Nana. Why you bibia makumas? Why you kumasi for the tawichi?
Yeah.
You kumasi. Me kumasi ni. I'm from Kumasi. I went to Las Vegas. I want to be free. Mama Miami, but I went to Las Vegas. You know, for real, bad man. So when a DJs and sings, they know if bad man. This Skilly Bang collaboration. The reason why they come, this Skilly Bang collaboration said it be wire for some people.
I swear.
Wait.
One Skilly. One Edin Bomu, one Skilly Bang, also. One
obviously Skilly Lang.
He turned the name upside down.
He made the name Santos.
They don't say Chatawale go feature some underground artists for Jamaica. They don't follow. They don't know your inside. Yo man.
No, bad man. Nobody talks. We are lost. We are lost as a Ghana. If like we don't get government, like the things we go to study the witchcraft, sitting on broom to fly. like sin, like it be because he make the whole mind be like, this my friend for no go on. Hey, I can't wait not come. So when they go up, why did they wait make you fall down?
No, that be why we want come change the narrative, because some of us we see when our elders the way the people treat them then things. Some of us we no go agree for them to treat us like that. We no go agree because the way the thing they go right now, we see say no. It be format, the format where they create where everybody they inside. That format we will not go there inside.
What? Badman, if it be format, in Quant, yeah.
If we where we get them.
If it
we where we get them.
No, but I tell you something. If it format, like, may they not do that, yeah. May they come Nima can ask who be Dexter. What's here? We get format for Nima pass. They get format pass. Me right now go feel brag. Me I go feel brag say I buy cars like this now. Big up yourself, Dexter.
Yeah, man. Samba, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
I know. No. See, as we come up, we saw people where we see them like motivations.
For real.
They don't be industry people.
Yeah, never.
Why you think say Kwakesi and Dexter can rule? Why?
Yeah.
That was motivating. No, we say Dexter they give her money. It didn't motivate.
Yeah.
And that's why Kwakesi you can rule because man, I say in the talk and the Dustin program. If you not call you
okay. Make I give you some news. You know, say Dexter right now. Dexter they produce song. Dexter be engineer right now currently.
Oh, what?
You know, say they love music like something.
Oh, but then if I pay my royalties.
I swear.
Because the way I always Dexter, make you give me in hand, make you hold cards and take give me. Where you know give me right now in the play beat. Dexter, this is sound card. Dexter, this is sound card. You go pay me for this sound card. Dexter, you go pay me for this sound card. If I talk like this, I finish. Dexter, I understand this format.
You understand the format? Yeah, man. Yeah.
No. Oh, say the play it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, where the play? Where some?
You know say some sound card, there's some mic, then things. Those times, then things. You know, just it a love musical. You can't.
I go for a no.
You can't.
But then you bring me some sound card. Where you tell me say
sound card, then mic, then things.
That's a big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You see, you what's here? What?
Oh yeah, I swear.
You see, people don't know. You see, over here, most of the times, I feel say if I come live and come, they talk to like people online and make them understand. You get me? Because we can't be doing like this and we'll make the next generation understand what we do. Most of these people, they did internet because most of these people, they did, and we did internet hard, you know, but when this media start project a certain image for them, they lose focus to the music. Because we see right now, Ghana music, watch TV. We have few rappers, everybody be R&B singer. And me at the talk, if Ghana artists go sit down and people will tell them, Monshe the Nigerian story, and you don't sit down to be yourself.
If you don't lose yourself.
You see Nigeria, they don't get no dancer artist, they don't get no rapper. Where the rapper sack on here. They don't get no rapper where the rapper medical. If like me to do Ghana meet Nigeria rap to rap battle. Hands down. That day we are shutting Nigeria down.
Yeah.
Nigeria is an R&B country. Let us accept that. There are different types of music. We have jazz, we have rock, we have reggae.
You see this thing where you just talk self. Even the R&B artists, we have them in this country, but Ghana no treat them well.
Look at Chase, motherfucker. Look at Chase.
Look at Charlie.
We must say somebody better for Chase. You know they show himself, but Chase hold. Man get talent, but the industry go sit down and they feel like see the guy, fair, bad man.
You see you. You will be like, I swear the two people where they can't mention them are names. I swear that be the names you mentioned.
Bad man.
I swear.
Bad man, I tell you something. You see, if Ghana no wake up, if Ghana no wake up and wise up, and they go to talk things into people them are brain and things, I swear, through Shatter movement, government go close most radio stations. You see, before solve this problem for the next generation.
Yeah, for real.
Not before us. I come by me right now, the money I get. I mean, we go to say we stop music over. And no, apart from the money, the leverage we get, we can channel that and use it for businesses. My face alone can get me a multi-billion job somewhere, contractor.
Yeah.
Where I go to do, maybe I supply some pipe, go Taiwan. Because they know maybe president go write some letters more, and 1 or 2 ministers. I'm good to go. I'm doing best.
Yeah.
But if we did there, where we lie the people, and we get the product. Government, it make like they say we go do car racing. Then somebody say maybe bring blading golf to come there. How we go feel win the competition? Then we go there, Makasumeka them come there with Ferrari. Then that guy where they do the Fast and Furious movie, you know. What they got him? The Rock. The Rock come back maybe some Lamborghini. Then when we say from Ghana, we are proud of what we have. This is what God gave us. It's a God too. He can race and win the Lamborghini. Charlie. We should stop that thing. They help every artist. You see, God, you see what I want to say? They help every artist for Ghana. May they not see me like we are like every artist. We are a different breed altogether.
No, for real.
And we are surviving with or without them.
No, you see this is where you bring, make I tell them something. The industry they forget say Shatta Wale, the old cargo. They forget say the guy come already, you can't test the waters. He know how the waters be. Shatta Wale was out 2004 with Bandana from Ghana. The song blow. Daniel Stringham, they buy CD, but Shatta Wale never make money out of the song. He play show, he don't see money. So as the guy come back, God being so good, he can meet some of us, the Nima rockets, the things. So the mic cracking, the things, the brain bust.
me if they want blame some, they blame Nima. Because if that way my mind spoiled. Nima, they say me if I don't get money, make I not come there again. Nima, they say if I don't make money, make I not come Nima. So they'll give me one.
No, you know what? So they forget say you test the waters before. So today, if you talk something about the industry, majority of them know they understand. They compare you with some of the artists where they come today. But whereby they forget say you come inside the industry. Those times, the people where they talk about music today, they not finish SSS to get to go GIJ or whatever to come and sit on radio. But today, if you talk to them, they feel like they don't pass you.
I swear.
But whereby
Badman, the time I did Badman, the time where I do Banana from Ghana, I swear Sadiq day school.
No, for real.
I swear the Sadiq day SSS.
No, for real.
I'm Sadiq, you don't go past me.
Oh no,
man is 75 years old. I am 70.
No, your age no be so. Your age no be so.
75.
You pass 75.
You know, come Adori.
You pass 75, my guy. You watch 75. You pass 75. You know be you that come through my dams. They're cool by the inside.
I'm going.
They're cool. That's why today. They're cool. That's why today you come where you do cool inside Ghana music industry. Or you don't know.
Freedom. I can't say freedom for Miami, Charlie.
Charlie, freedom to them, Miami.
You think as a people? What do they talk? I won't cut you because I need freedom. But the Kwame Nkrumah history they talk. If Ghanaians know, they will kill me. Like what they did to Adesowa, Sergeant Ajete. But shout out to Kasapre, Charlie. You know, say the freedom, freedom. It did Miami. They stand for Miami.
Wow.
Badman, Kasapre. You see Kasapre?
Hey,
sorry,
why
ladies and gentlemen.
Why JQ there? JQ come there.
No. This will be Beat Highness.
Because because as I hear that, you don't say JQ.
Or maybe no, but Pat, you know, it so Pat do it.
Pat do it. Yeah.
But vampire beat you. Ghana.
Yeah, man.
This was a replacement. A bad man. You have a SARS to cast a recommend. As I come here, they come do vacations. But this as I see, I be brand ambassador. For Casa Preco for Storm. So, and as I did, no, I don't forget Storm, bad man.
Yeah, no, when it comes to when it comes to how to promote brand for Ghana, forget it. No, forget it.
I know the reason why my hair be green.
Yeah, because of the Storm.
You know, say as Storm sign me here, you know, say everybody they get gray hair. Me, my own God make them green. God make them green. So as I did right now, my hair will go. You know, can't gray hair. You can't green. As I did.
Charlie, somebody write. Fifi write something. Say make I read give you. I beg you. It be like you did not share something before.
Fifi Pratt.
He said, "Oh no, not be Fifi Pratt. This guy is the base for. I think he's the base for Italy or some. Fifi Duku or Duke or something. Me I no go fit pronounce them. Charlie, me I no go school, so make you no can worry me.
Bad man, we don't know. Charlie, fuck the people where they say they go school, where they don't know anything. We say
Charlie,
we don't go school with this thing.
The thing right, it be history where you the name share. He say Wale, when anybody for tell Wale, you for tell them the way we beg the trotro made for Labadi Beach, make it carry we come Tema Station. Bro, your time catch way, Jago, oh, your shirt way you wear white. Go back small. I go and they read the thing. White come inside. Jago take you go far. It be like you that never share something. He said you beg some trotro mates. Maybe you go remember that thing. I don't know.
You know, say me and some boys move, Wait, sometimes, I just thank God because that's why they see this life as a story. See all those boys, you know, they come out, they make people they can't know, say they know me, they me share some life, they me do this. Because see what is not, but man, me those days, me boys days to the radio, you know, we pick some. That's why me this time if I see any taxi driver, they like give them fuel money and then Ghana.
Okay, he said nature and agony. So you go know him. Nature and agony.
Yeah, man. Like nature and agony for National Theatre.
Yeah, I think so.
No, bad man. Me and Doc show, like, you know, but you see that thing on when you get hot.
Yeah.
And you see sometimes the way we all grow, you understand me?
Yeah.
Me, I don't grow up with. That's why sometimes people they watch me like with maybe I talk, I make those kind of things and they say, oh, why Shatta they talk this why I don't know. I don't grow up like that. But if the industry way teach me like that, that's why I do that song. I will always be a fighter. You can tell me nothing. I will always prove you wrong. Say I'm not worth it. How can I always apologize for the monster?
Yeah.
You created that monster because somebody get talent. Here they talk. Imagine if Chase, if Chenfe, if others would they say right now the verse. If they say they go talk those kind of language. If you say they go get that attention because somebody goes, I didn't know away, but if someone go listen to Chenfe song, goes actually the guy get talent too.
I swear.
But the industry really push them.
Never.
Me, I be fighter. Me, I see myself like soldier where they give me ammunition. But not physical fighter, but spiritually. God, you they pray 5 times a day, God, they no go fit stop that thing unless you stop pray. And they tell you something. Oh no, God, okay. Therefore, they don't know the weapon we get. We be prayer weapon. That's why we do kill them with prayers. And if we say kill them with even Nima, we shoot the team for. They know how many times Nima.
I swear.
Oh, God,
no, serious.
Oh. they are just lost. You see, the only painful thing is, and we'll come back to that, is still the next generation.
Really?
That's what I'm saying. Any youth where they watch you right now, but no, you have done a whole managerial work and Bulldog know how energetic you are, how like positive you are when it comes to artist work. Recently, make I just put that one aside. People where they first say maybe, oh, I did what I do before. Fuck it. When Popcorn came to Ghana, he was fucking loving to roll with you. And through you, I speak to Popcorn. Nobody make us speak to Popcorn. Through you, may I speak to Popcorn. So somebody said the way they say, I'm like, oh, if he speak to Uber bread, because the thing where you get, you know, plenty people the way they say they manage artists, they don't get. How many times when Bulldog the video online and when they fit talking, but he says certain positive things about you. All because your mind is there. You are the only crew around me who watches social media, listen radio. They do this. You are the only crew around me who does that. Because you always want to give me the information. You want to update me. You want us to make sure we are there. Ask me in the talk on live. See the comments they read for me. If I tell somebody something, let me say, you are there. Make I tell Ghana. Ghana, you see me when I sleep, that my ear. It did down. So any hit song where I go do, don't blame me. You know they see me now, but I get hit machine.
No, for real, man.
I go for that. No, they for no, man. They for no. You know. And here we come say be surprised if they can't surprise them. That's what
I swear. No, me, I don't want to disclose. I don't want to disclose things.
Don't tell anyone.
No. I don't want to disclose things. Because you know we are element of surprise. Before they will realize it was something different. They're not going to how come? Everybody say, oh yeah, the day.
Ghana
you know, I swear.
I know like I won't go to the beach. I won't go to the beach there.
No, go beach, my guy. If you go beach, I beg. You see the Miami sand, the beach sand. I beg. I need some.
How many bags?
bags, you don't go bring bags.
No, I'm going to go to 40 feet out with a new Miami sand.
Chata Hale. No, but I see the blow up song. Big man, trust me. Everything about the song. And you see, Charlie, you see the video, the lyrics video. I beg, I share some link for my Facebook page.
I see for your page.
I beg, Modi, the guy, I think he's the base for Canada or where he base for, I don't know, sir.
Modi, I don't know where. I don't know one of these places, maybe Europe.
I beg, go listen what he talk about the lyrics video, the education he give about the lyrics video. I beg, I want make everybody go listen. Because Shatawale way did the way you guys watch him. This guy.
No. I say, people can't see you. Trust me, I tell something. Anybody will make it. Charlie, it no be about Ubro fool. It no be about the way they wear saddle. It no be about how you go up and cross your leg. It be knowledge. They don't know. Nanama McDown. Go see there. Bulldog for tell her, make him invite you. No, you see, the things where the industry for know before we can move forward, you know it. Forget everybody. But I don't know. Make the talk say this artist be hit, this artist they talk, we no mind. You see, we not say we be number one, the whole Ghana.
No, for real, man.
But nobody go fit kill one as spirit. So they forget me there. Me for there, they call myself one don already. Nobody say anything. Yes, hey, so you can come and tell me say I be one jump.
Me right now. No, but me right now. If everybody won't come, concentration fees have for pay.
Bad man.
Because I help a lot of people. Right now, if you come, Charlie.
No, you could say if you advert. You understand me? For advert, make them know the movement. Say, you know, say you come. That's why I thought say if somebody way artist way they feel say they need certain ideas. Grow with their management. Make their management can see you. But before they can see, they will not say they go pay you small money, make you bring up.
No, for real.
No, No, that be the code. You understand me? Make nobody, no Ghana artist who say, what will they do if you play thing or somebody will say, I'm like, oh, sir, they were my, you know, bad man. He thought from the beginning of this new, say God, favor.
I swear.
So if you fight it, they are fighting the wind. If he tell them,
I swear.
Oh, no,
I swear.
And you say the look for Kosombo, where they produce, where our electricity for, where the person they tell you, so that Kosombo, if they go Volta region side, you understand me? You meet a midday Adomi bridged up. Then cover right now with there somebody still they argue. You see they talk right, we talk right now. Somebody they oh the body what you know. If they give light, the one you sleep inside where you open your unloose and bed, no. If you need to give you the light, no. No, that is what you have to preach to these people, because if we don't push to them, the whole thing will look like what? Because they are looking for solution for this industry. Make I give you an example. You said they bring Sharifa Gunu come and now Ama Magbai program top.
Yeah.
You see next week, if they want to make Sharifa Gunu, you win Grammy. Next week they for bring up.
Yeah.
Every day they for promote them. Every day they for playing something. Every day.
Yeah.
For us to dedicate for Sharifa Gunu.
No, Ghana, we don't realize that we get something, so some people.
No.
That was last time, as we share Walasi in post. I feel big time because Walasi they Ghana for so many years. They know say we get someone like Walasi. They never talk about him. Right now, they want to see the attention go on them small. 3 weeks, 2 weeks, they go dog him. They don't go talk about him again. That be our Ghana day.
Bad man, last time he had do video where they talk say these people only talk about problems.
Yeah, but they don't talk about the solutions. Yeah.
They are not problem solvers. Why are they not problem?
Right.
Because if you can't put Walasi for there now, because Walasi they do something like that. The next day, you guys, that's what I say. I see the media pool. Themselves hunger they catch them past week. Because the reason why hunger they catch them, you know, the feet decide on solving problem. You bring Walasi today, then the next day you bring Ochami Kwame. Then the next day you bring this one. Then the next day you bring this one. Then you are calling it say program where they take solve problems. You bring Walasi yesterday, the thing can't talk about good, great. We all support, okay, let's support Walasi. Or let's support Sharifa Gunu. But the next day they bring Ochami Kwame come there. Make you talk different issue. We understand. Everybody get issues to go talk about.
Yeah.
But is that solving the agenda?
Never.
No, it's not solving the problem. You understand me? So, you see, the industry itself there. I know. And Ghana, the sickness for there, they say everybody won't claim say young. That be a problem.
Yeah, for real.
We don't come on ourselves from Tawala, you know. We get pictures for there. The time we are sit that chair top, you tell me something for my ear. I swear, the whole Ghana world. Maybe go watch that picture again.
I swear.
Tell me. You say the chair top at the seat, you know, it be forever and never.
I swear.
And if you saw it, I go back, as I come, I can see the Lamborghini. I go buy them. Ghana because you go buy them.
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at that. If I buy Lamborghini, I swear, trust me, they buy Range Rover. Make a I know. Come on, if I buy Lamborghini, I swear, Range Rover Sports from me. I know, come on, trust me. Oh, as you enter Yankee, no, you know, as you enter Yankee, check drop. You know it.
Yo, Charlie. Yeah. Yo, positive man, big man. Trust me. Yo.
Nobody I say, forget them. Yo. They don't get we to hold we. They don't get we to stop we. It's just say that's why they talk. What we are talking about is positive. We know they insult anybody. We know they never hit anybody happiness stuff, but all what we need is for them to understand, say, you people, you say you won't buy oil, where did they put for fuel inside? You get 4 containers for it.
That's right.
The guy tell us, say, you won't buy, this be new oil for town. If you buy, I'm going to take, you know. So if new oil will come. That order, we did it.
I swear.
This is like one story. I won't break it down too much. I can't talk over that. We get the containers.
I beg, don't tell them. Don't tell them, my man.
No, if they don't understand, you see, if they don't understand we like this and the love we share, they are a whole artists. They are not gonna lie you. They don't get somebody. The things that they and somebody they share every fear. But you,
swear.
Money, my life, sex, rubbish, positive. I go, but no, what me I know they share?
No, for real, man, for real.
Apart from that, maybe money way, the money they are responsible with shit. Wicked guy, I'm a wicked guy.
No.
The money crew, the other day, now I be queer. We be ghetto youth. We are growing. We will get there.
No, for you, man. No,
get anybody the lap. And if you can get a lap like that,
I swear, no, we go get there, boss man. We go get there. Life and talent. We are about to blow up.
No. Why they first say they don't say that we play blow up now with them, man.
I swear.
I wake up where they I don't pick flights. I'll just blow up where I can be.
Somebody call me
blow up. You know, no, I shout for the cause.
And somebody they tell me say, oh, maybe right now Snap, they feel post something where be old one. Because I want to do interview yesterday with Sammy Flex. Yeah. How come?
I blow. I blow. If I made a dummy right now, tomorrow I go to London.
I swear.
I go right now. They blow up. I blow up. Right now, I blow up. Blow up.
Charlie, you're gonna be GV Cam. We go talk. Yeah.
No, I go Australia. I blow up. Go Australia. I come back. Make I blow up here.
No, good.
I make I go to the beach and blow up for there.
Go to the beach and blow up for there.
Okay, make you follow me. We go Miami Beach. Hey, everybody, get your Simico spoon. Come on, Simico spoon. Come on. Come on now. Yeah, I'll call you when I get to the beach, okay?
No problem, bro.
I love you, man. I love you, man.
Respect.